Welcome back, guys, and in today's video we're going to talk about the historic snowfall and potentially blizzard that is about to impact much of the United States here going into the end of our weekend and Monday. It is currently Saturday morning of March 14th, and the storm will be getting going later today and then into Sunday and the Monday. This storm could bring extremely high snowfall rates along with gusty winds, and that's why I think we could be dealing with some blizzard conditions here. But let's get straight into it. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you love the weather, please subscribe. That makes my day. Let's get right into it. So first, we're going to take a look at the model guidance, and we'll take a look at the GFS first, and we'll take a look at the Euro, and then we'll look at your snowfall totals and potential winds, and then we'll wrap up the video. So first, this is the GFS model, and you see this is for the 14th this is overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning. This is where the storm starts to really get going. You get a low pressure system to develop in the plains, and then it continues to move eastward as it strengthens, and then you get this very strong front banding of very strong band of snow moving west or east and north, and that pink and the sleet, that's sleet, and the rain is green, and that pinkish blue is very heavy snowfall. And then as you continue to put this in motion, that snow band continues to get bigger and impact a wider area. And you see that this could be up to an 800-mile long storm here, guys, from one end of the storm to the other. So it's going to impact a lot of people. And then especially if you get that lake effect snow, this could just drop a tremendous amount of snow. Then you continue to put this in motion. This is about 6 o'clock on Sunday night. This is when the storm really starts to get going here for the Great Lakes and Michigan, Illinois, and you get a 985 low pressure system, and you have blizzard conditions here where you are in the snow, and then the freezing rain line. It's going to be a sharp cutoff, but I think as it moves east, you'll transition to snow if you start this off as rain or sleet. And then the storm kind of gets out of here and brings some back-end snowfall on Monday morning around 12. And I think some of this back-end snow could be heavy with the lake effect. What does the Euro show? Well, I will tell you the Euro shows something pretty similar. So we have a lot of model agreement, which is expected because we are 2 days out. So here we go on tomorrow or tonight. This is around the Sunday at 12. I will tell you the Euro has been steadily placing this low pressure system a bit northward than the GFS, but same concept. You have this very heavy snow band setting up a little bit further north in the GFS with the 990 millibar low pressure system. Continue to put it in motion as it tries to get negatively tilted, and the storm really gets going as it wraps up and pushes northward. And again, you have that band of heavy snow with lake effect definitely in place here for Illinois down to Michigan, Chicago, and all the biggest states or big cities. I think that if this storm does look more like the Euro, which I think that it could, then you could get a lot more snow further to the east than the GFS is showing. And as you continue, you have that back end snow just like the GFS, and it even looks a little bit stronger to me with trying to redevelop a low pressure system over at one of the Great Lakes as it moves out. How much snow we're talking, though? Let's take a look at the Kuchar model, which takes into effect for how cold it will be, because it won't be a 10-to-1 ratio. It'll be a little bit higher because it's going to be cold. It puts a lot of snow down, guys, I'll be honest with you. So this is through Tuesday, and this is through the whole length of the storm. In these areas of blue, you have about 1 to 5 inches. In the areas of pink, 6 to 10. Reds, you get up to 10 to 16 or 10 to 18 or 10 to 20 really. And in these oranges, you just have 2 to 3 to 4 feet of snow with this lake effect up here in the north, moving up into Canada. And even down here in Chicago, you're getting 8 or anywhere from 6 to 12 inches it's painting. But that's more conservative Euro. Even the more conservative Euro is showing that. What's the GFS showing? It's showing snow in a little bit different areas, but the same amount of intensity, even if not more. So you see, with the Euro, the snow gets a little bit further north and east, and in the GFS, that snow, the bands of 6 to 12 inches go all the way further south. And then up here, you have 47 inches of snow dropping with that lake effect, up to 50 inches of snow. And it also has that band of 24 or up to 30 inches, pushing a lot further back west than the GFS. what is National Blend showing? I think this is a great thing to look at when you're this far out. And we'll go back one because it's not out yet. And this is what the National Weather Service goes off of a lot of time. It's painting a lot. It's painting it further north, guys. I'll be honest with you. It's favoring the Euro model over the GFS model. And it's pushing these 6 to 10 ranges down to the Chicago. I mean, 4 to 6 ranges, and that you don't get up to a foot until about up here. But then again, still painting 40 inches of snow with the lake effect, and this is on the conservative blend of models, guys. Someone could get up to 4 feet of snow out of the storm, which is tremendous. Especially with the wind, it's going to be blowing, and you're going to have very big snow drifts with this one. Anyway, guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.